We're hiking today from Minark Theatre to Land's End along this beautiful coast path. Good morning. We're ready for a big hike. So what we're going to do today, we're going to start at Minark Theatre in Cornwall, and then we're going to hike along the coast with the coast path, and we're ending at Land's End. That's the farthest point, southern point in England. So there you will see a sign. There is a mini golf. We're going to play mini golf. Hopefully, yeah, if it's not closed. So it's a beautiful day. Amazing day. We're going to do 16 kilometers approximately. Can be 20. No, not 13.
It can be anything with
Yes.
us.
We going to do a nice hike in the sunshine because in England it's not always sunshine. So we saw that it was sunshine today. This afternoon it will be more cloudy. Let's see first Minark Theatre. First viewpoint is already amazing. Before we enter the Minark Theatre, we're going to put some sunblock on our skin because 2 or 3 days ago when we did the hike from Tintagel to Boscastle, we were really burned, wasn't we?
We were.
We were, yeah. So the entrance for Minark Theatre is only pre-booked, so you have to book online. They had only 2 tickets for 1 o'clock. We will not be back at 1 o'clock. And they are closing early today, so afterwards we cannot do that. No Minark Theatre for us. I'll put some footage in between of the drone, but we cannot enter, so only drone footage.
Just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream.
So the signs of the coast path is this. So you have to follow this pineapple. Really cool. Oh. Some word of wisdom, some word of explanation. She showed me the video, and of course it's not a pineapple. I don't know why I said that, but I don't know the word in English. What is it?
Acorn, something
Acorn?
like that.
Yeah, but not a pineapple. So I wanted to add this to the video. Let's go back to the hike.
Just you and me. Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream.
That is the bull. He's watching us. He's mean. He looks mean.
Summertime, get ready, we are so divine. Blue water and yellow sand. Let's live our dream. Summertime. time.
There it is, Land's End, and there is the how is it called? Fire? No, lighthouse. Oh, fire, not fire.
There is the lighthouse Land's End.
Is that your mic?
Yes, it is blue sky with a little bit of box.
Volks, clouds.
It is not gonna rain, so take your shirt out and go on a walk.
Hey, I don't have a short. So we just saw some seals in the water. They are just swimming. Now and then we see their head coming out of the water. We have to be very quickly, but not capturing, not video. But there are seals here. Yes, we could capture one. It's a long distance, but you can see his head. I will draw a circle around it. Really cool. We're closing on Land's End, and the first thing we're going to do is to eat something and drink. It's like you're walking in a theme park here in Land's End. Really strange. You walk in nature and then suddenly it's like a theme park. Yeah, but we want to eat first. Big boxes! So we have 9 scampi's with fries. Then we had fish and chips here. And then here also 9 nuggets with fries. Here also nuggets. You have also nuggets with fries. Oh. And then you have also nuggets. Nuggetjes. Okay. Bon appetit.
Doe het een keer aan de camera.
Voilà, nous l'ont tatoué. Life is shit. We're gonna play some mini golf. Where do you need to start?
Kijk, snel praten.
These ones look like they might have a good shot at it.
So mom goes first. Ooh! behind. Where? There. Whoa! Whoa! Look up.
Look up
Whoa!
in a big tower.
Whoa! Woo! Yes. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
You are the only one who is stuck here.
You have decided to take on the dangerous task to find the lost treasure of lioness.
Oh, where is our starting point? Oh, here is our starting point. This is the first one. This is really cool. Yeah, 3. How low can you go? How low? Come on. This is.
Ik heb 3 keer naast gedaan. Ik had dat ook.
Wow! How much? 5?
That was closing.
I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna push it. The line. The line.
Oh! Place your golf ball in the cup, watch it roll, and the best of luck. Waar gaat dat balletje? Oh! You lose! Woo! Arco! Oh! Ooh! Xante, let's go. Will she lose or will she win? Oh!
This is it. I feel it. I feel it. Yeah! I want a treasure.
What passage?
The not so safe.
Not so safe? Ooh. What will happen? Oh! Whoa!
Now, be off, the lot of you. And don't you go telling anyone about this treasure.
This was really a really cool miniature golf.
Yes, I think one of the most amazing ones we ever did.
Well, we have already done some amazing ones
Yeah.
in America, but now it's
just
really,
looks
it looks amazing. Yeah, it's worth the price. Yeah. Okay,
Op de 5e plaats,
on the 5th place.
Arco.
Whoa!
On the 4th place,
4e plaats.
Sotte.
You're not the last one this time.
Tweede en derde is een gedeelde plaats met 42 punten.
Oei.
Voor Vee en Mama.
Hey! Yes! Yes! Woo! Daddy won. Good one.
Yes.
Yeah, I like it even more now. And now we're going to see the signpost of the last end.
The land.
The land, and not the last, the land. My last end. So this is the sign of the southernmost point in United Kingdom. We also have a point in the most northern point in Scotland. I want to stand there one day. It's on my bucket list. Scotland. So one day I will be there. You can also put a personal message on the pole. It's £11, and then you can go closer to the pole to take a picture. Then you get an extra picture that they take that in there. So yeah, you can pay extra for a personal message, for marriage, for family name, anything. Really strange. We have to walk in here and it's like in somebody's house. Where? Oh, it's like we're walking in somebody's house. So now we're hiking back to Minark Theatre, what we haven't seen. It's some kind of small loop. Some pieces will be along the coasts and sometimes we are cutting a piece off. So it's not that far as we went to the Land's End. I think it will be like 2 hours to hike back. But after the mini golf, it is worthwhile. And it's very beautiful along the coast. Very beautiful. These stairs, these rocks hurt on the legs because it's already 16 kilometers that we hiked along this beautiful coastline, but it's always up, down, up, down. So you start feeling it. Little push and we're at the car. Huh? Jungle-like. It's a little bit strange that our hiking path is going through the cemetery. The best thing, it's not dark yet. How many kilometers do we have?
17 and a half.
17 and a half.
Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom.
Happy birthday to you.